welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through and giving you a soft glam look. On my Instagram, I took a poll and I asked you guys which makeup palette should I use to complete this soft glam look. It was either out of A, the Anastasia times Jackie Aina collaboration palette, or B, the Pro Matte Profusion makeup palette. And right now it is neck and neck. You guys are the worst. I'm trying to not make a decision and you guys are just as indecisive as I am. But right now it is tied between both of these palettes. And I really think I'm gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. I want to say I've done a video on this palette or included this in a video on my channel. I'm not sure, but if not, just give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like for me to use this palette in the future. Just as a side note, I also have the metallics version as well. It has all of the metallic glittery shades and shimmer shades as well as the matte. So I can definitely bring this in for maybe a holiday look or something. But for today's video, we're going to be using the ABH palette. So if you guys haven't seen this anywhere, it is so beautiful. It has some great neutral colors, a lot of pops of color as well. Jackie Aina really loves her purples and her golds, so you see that throughout the palette. And it's very rich in color as well. So in today's video, like I said, I'm just doing a soft matte glam and maybe having one shimmer shade. We'll see how it takes me, but let's get to it. So probably gonna have the image of the palette right here so you guys can see. And first, I think I'm going to go in with Ginger, and it's just this really soft brown shade. I've already primed my eyes with my Ever Matte, what is this called? Wow, I haven't done a video in so long. My Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I set that with some loose setting powder so my base is good. So I'm just gonna go through and put that brown right above my crease. So next I'm going to take Credit, and just a little bit because this is a very dark brown, and I'm just going to put it on the outer corners of the eye just to give my eye a little bit more depth. And when I say just a little bit, just a teensy bit. Because this can go really smoky really fast. And this is really like when I don't know what to do or what makeup look to do, this is usually what I go for. So I'm being really sloppy in my blending, just making sure it's nice and blended out, getting it on my lid as well. Not being too precise. I think I want to take a little bit of this gold shade, Soleil. Don't know how to pronounce it. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of that gold shade, spray a little bit of my Morphe setting spray on it, and place it on my lid and just dab it on there. So from there, you could definitely add some black eyeliner, lashes. I think that would really set it off. But for me to keep this, you know, kind of soft, let's see what brush. But for me to keep this really soft, I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna go back in with credits and just really just dipping it in vertically. And I'm gonna try to line my lash line, or to get as close as to my lash line to fake eyeliner. See, I don't know if you can notice between both of the eyes. This one just seems a little bit more softer. It's lined. You can tell that it's lined on here. It's not very, you know, it's not really that harsh, and that's what I want to go for. If I use black eyeliner, then I think it'll just be a little bit too harsh. And the eyeshadow is just a little bit more softer, especially since it's a nice brown. Yeah, and it just adds a touch of softness. So I am pretty much done with my eye. I don't think I want to add an inner corner highlight for today. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. So my hair is still a little wet, but this is my finished soft glam look. It's nothing too hard, nothing too, you know, extravagant. It's just a really good 3-4 shades, throw on some mascara and go. It's really simple, and that's what I, you know, usually do for my makeup. So if you guys like this video, if you like this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. In my next video, I will be testing out another or a YouTuber's tips and tricks to get your makeup to stay in your nose. I'm actually testing it now, so be sure to stay tuned for that video. That's going to be coming up really soon. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next one.